Hi, my name is Karen, and I work for Excel Laser Vision for 5 years. I am a surgical tech. I've been in the eye industry for about 8 years. Since I've been here for 5 years, Dr. Musa is so good at what he does, and not only his experience that he has, but also the technology that they use here. Currently, I am using readers. I'm 47, so it's really difficult to see anything up close, and I am so tired of having all these readers all over my house, in my car, in my room. And every time I don't have them, I would panic. And the reason why I decided to have surgery now is one of the occasions I didn't have my reader in my purse, and I literally panicked because I wasn't able to see anything up close, wasn't able to read anything. And that's when I'm like, it's time for me to get my surgery. And the only person I would trust for my eyes would be just Dr. Musa.
In the LASIK procedure room, Karen lies down, ready for the process to unfold. Dr. Musa, with his unparalleled expertise, prepares to create a thin flap on Karen's cornea, the initial step towards visual liberation. The first step that Dr. Musa did was to painlessly create a thin corneal flap, allowing access to the underlying tissue. Using a laser, Dr. Musa reshaped Karen's cornea with precision, correcting her vision. As Dr. Musa completes the procedure, Karen expresses her amazement. The anticipation of a life without reading glasses begins. Exiting the clinic with newfound confidence, Karen Lee is on her way to a life free from the shackles of reading glasses. Excel Laser Vision Institute, where clear vision is not just a promise, but a reality. If you're ready to bid farewell to the hassle of reading glasses, your LASIK journey awaits at Excel Laser Vision Institute, your gateway to a clearer future.